Hello friends, welcome in this second tech video of my channel. In this video I'm going to show that how can you remove a Gmail account from your phone. In the last video I showed you that how can you create a Gmail account in your phone. You can get this video link in the description box, and the first link is that link. And in this video I will show you that how can you remove a Gmail account from your phone. So let's start it. So friends, first look at is your Wi-Fi connection or internet connection is on. You have to turn it on, and then go to your Gmail app. After going to Gmail, tap on this button, your accounts button, and now here scroll down and see here manage your accounts on this device. Tap here. Okay, now here you see I have only Google account, so here is only one option, Google. If you want to remove your Google account, tap on this button, Google. Okay, here is my all accounts, all the accounts are here. So I want to remove this account which I created in my create a Gmail account video. I have given the link of this video here. If you want to know that how to create a Gmail account, you can see that video in the first link of the description. So so to remove this account, you have to click here. Okay, here you see here is everything, your scenes options. Now tap on this button, and here you see the option remove account. You have to click here. So I am clicking here and then tap here. Okay, here you go. It took some time for lag of my phone, and see the account is deleted successfully. Here is no account. I can scroll down. So this account has successfully deleted. So this was the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and please like this video.